Hi, I'm Paul Jolly, and today we're going to go over groups, Facebook groups. Basically, Facebook groups are very important to digital marketing. By creating a group of people which is wants to know about the niche, it's almost like an email mailing list, except you can add photos and videos and links and discussions. It's very interactive and it's for your target customer, so it's very important to digital marketing. Anyway, today we will go over how to create a Facebook group, and I'll just switch to the camera, to the computer, and go through it. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, first we're in Facebook, and this is one I've already created, Sports and Outdoor Facebook group hosted by LTMate. So this is designed for any new products that we're launching or anybody's launching to do with sports and outdoor. So let's get into it. So first we click on create, and we're creating a group. And I'm going to name this group. I'm going to give it a little hash sign and call it appliances, because we have some new appliances coming which are very interesting, so we want to add them to here. New products, style, buy and sell. I'm using buy and sell because everybody uses buy and sell. I just have my Hotmail account, my spam account, so I don't mind people seeing that. And I'm going to go public, because to start with, if you go public then anyone can join, and then once it gets up to a certain amount then we make it members only. Okay, so we're going to create that. Okay, appliances. First thing it's asking me to do is upload a nice picture here, or an illustration. And you can choose illustrations, but they're a bit naff. What you want to do is create your own. Okay, we're just going to flip over to Canva. Now, Canva is a very useful piece of software, and it's free, and you can do different artwork quite simply. So this one I'm going to call Appliances Facebook group, and hosted by, and I just need a back image. So okay, so this is the image I decided on. I'm not sure if it's particularly good, but it's okay. It's a kitchen appliance. And I'm gonna send it backwards so everything appears. And there we go. Kitchen appliances. Just adjust this a little bit so we can see. And that's good enough. Okay, so there it is, and now we go back to Facebook and upload the photo. Give it a second. Facebook, we can adjust it a little bit and save. Okay, now we go over to more and edit the group settings. So actually, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change this to Appliances USA, because this Facebook group is specifically for the USA and product launches into the USA, so I'll just change that. So next thing I'll do is change this to buy and sell. Means we can create and manage sale listings specific for the currency in this post. This means our Shopify accounts will be able to be linked through to this. and we're going to do it in US dollar. US dollar. Buy and sell. Confirm. Save that. Next thing we want to do is some blah blah blah. So I'll go over to the one I've done here, and I've done some blah 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 here, so I'm just going to copy and paste that. Copy and paste, and then obviously I'm going to change it to appliances. Change this one. Change this one. And change this one. Everything else remains the same. So let's just, I don't know what happened there, get rid of that. Let's just save that. Because the first time I did it, I forgot to save and had to rewrite everything again. Okay, choose a color. I'm going to go with red because my bottom bit is pink. Add a location. Okay, so our warehouse location is in the city of Industry in California. So I'll just add that in. And tags are super important. With the tags, you need to be thinking about what people are going to be searching for, so it's super important. I'll come back to that later. I have to think about it. Custom address is also important. This is like a vanity address, and it's called appliances, and I'm going to put USA on the end, and it's allowed me to do that, so I'm very lucky. And okay, ask anyone in the group for admins, members moderated, memberships, ask questions, anyone in the group. Right now, because it's a new group, I just want everybody to come in, and then I'll edit the membership requirements later by adding interesting questions and things like this. We can pick up email addresses and different things from asking the questions if people want to come in. But that's when we're big groups and we have a lot of interest. So right now we're okay how we are. Link to page. So I'm going to link myself, obviously, because I'm awesome. I'm going to link LTMate, our company, because it's awesome. And this one is appliances. So I know this brand has appliances, so we'll put product reviews from this brand. My Thing Logic also has storage and appliances. This is lighting. That's about it. So you can add a few, and that's it. And now we need to invite people in and start to market this group. So the first thing to do is add some content in there. So we'll go to our Amazon accounts and start to put some of our products in there, so as it looks like a group which is working instead of a group which is just been created. So we need to add some content. So that's it. That's how to create a Facebook group. And then it's just a case of doing the marketing for it and adding more content. So thanks very much, and if you want to comment below, you're very welcome, and I'll see you in the group and let's have a chat.